Hi, I'm Erin Brill with Car Seat Safety Consultants. This is the installation of the Combi Coccoro. Start by threading the seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path. Only the lap belt portion of the seatbelt goes underneath the belt guides. Then buckle in your seatbelt. I like to place my knee behind the child restraint and press against the back of it so that it presses up against the vehicle seat as snugly as possible. Remove slack with your other hand by pressing down. Attach the clip with the arrow pointing down toward the buckle. Once it's attached, slide it down as close to the buckle as possible. As close to the latch plate. Lay the shoulder belt back up to the retractor and check for less than an inch of movement. If possible, wrap the shoulder belt around the back side of the car seat following the belt guides. One side will go through the blue clip and one side will be down low. If your shoulder belt is not long enough to do this, you may try unbuckling the belt, wrapping it around the back, placing it in the belt guides, and then buckling the seatbelt back in. Check for less than 1 inch of movement at the belt path.